I found this forgotten arcade machine hidden for decades.
And honestly, Tankiti, it broke my heart.
Everything was rusted beyond repair.
But I wasn't giving up on it.
The inside looked even worse.
Every single part needed restoration. I wanted to save as many original pieces as possible.
40 years of rust started disappearing.
The original metals started shining again.
And underneath all the dirt, the colors survived.
The cabinet frame needed serious repair.
These old electronics still had life in them.
This was the most delicate part of the restoration. I wanted every button to feel brand new.
The CRT screen was the soul of this machine. Now the transformation could finally begin.
Nothing beats authentic 1980s arcade colors.
The artwork made it feel alive again.
Then came my favorite part.
Everything was finally coming together.
And somehow, it still worked.
That startup sound gave me chills.
It felt like stepping back into the 1980s. From forgotten junk to a gaming legend.
Some legends deserve a second life.